finally get your first steps on video. Wouldn't that be awesome? He just automatically wants to go down.
No, it's easier for him. Set this thing up for him.
This. He can run across the room.
He's dragging his...
Slow your roll.
Woo, buddy, look at you go. Big boy.
Turn around. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh.
Whoop.
Tyler. Hey, come here. Yes, turn around.
Uh-oh.
Let's turn around. Oh, here.
He wants to play. Tyler. Tyler. Where are you going? Uh-oh.
I got a roadblock.